Hello Cromarty cadets, it's me Shelley again. I hope you're all still keeping well and safe. So today I thought I would share a product with you that maybe you might have seen on our website but you're not quite sure how it works. So this is felt needling. I'm just going to move my little friend here and show you what this product is. Now, this particular project I would say is for about an age 10 plus, but it really does depend on the child and how much patience they have. You will be using needles for this. They're not particularly sharp, but you will be using needles, so just bear that in mind. But it is also amazing for adults, particularly if you like knitting or you like sewing. This is a great one. So I'm just going to show you a couple of the kits that we have, but we've got lots of designs. So this is the hair, and this is the blue tit. So everything that you need comes in these packs. You get your wool, which comes like this. This is all you need. And then you get the other bits and bobs. So you've got your pipe cleaners, you've got your tube of needles, and you have your foam to work on. So there are a couple of other things that you need. You might need some hairspray, if you've got some of that lying around, and maybe some tape. But you also get inside the packs a full sheet, instruction sheet on how to do this with a step-by-step guide of what you need and how you're going to use the product and how you're going to make it look like this in the end. So it's really, really simple because it's all there inside the packet. But it's a lovely little idea, and I'm just going to show you. So you've already seen my little friend. He's really cute. And then here is another one who's also very sweet. And of course the blue tit, which is my favorite. And these were all made by people at Cromarty. So yeah, just another little product that you can do, something a little bit different. And you can have a look at all our designs on the website. So check it out and keep crafting. See you soon. Bye.